Well. Thank you, DPWH Region 11 for fast-tracking our Magtuod flyover. I was told maybe next week this will be opened by a reliable source. So our troubles in this junction of Maarod will be gone. Thank you, DPWH. Finally, we will have our Magtuod flyover done. And for the time being, we have to manage the shaking and rattling of our cars passing through this. And I'm proud that my good friend Dr. Alan Butuyan made this portion. This is the patented design blocks used in so many flyovers in Tagum, in Dumoy. He was our class magna cum laude at the University of the Immaculate Conception way back 1986, while I was batch 1987. And thank you.